Introducing our triple protection pure cleaning system, exclusively for Maid Brigade. We were the first to use Green Clean certified products, and now we're the first to revolutionize the cleaning industry with our comprehensive pure cleaning system that cleans, disinfects, and protects your facility. We use electrolyzed water solutions to cut grease, lift residue, and disinfect without the use of toxic chemicals. We eliminate cross-contamination between rooms by using color-coded cleaning cloths, and our HEPA-filtered vacuums are scientifically proven to remove 99.99% of dust and allergens. We disinfect every surface using hospital-grade disinfectants and innovative electrostatic technology to provide 360-degree coverage of curved and flat surfaces. Our Pure Mist spray allows for guaranteed dwell time without the need to wipe away, and is used to disinfect entire rooms with special attention to areas you touch the most. We eliminate cold and flu strains, E. coli, salmonella, coronavirus, H1N1, norovirus, mold and mildew, offensive odors, and many other harmful viruses and bacteria. Our disinfectant is listed on the EPA's List N for use against the virus responsible for COVID-19. We are the only cleaning service in the nation protecting your office or facility by applying a biostatic protective layer to your surfaces, which is designed to inhibit growth of microorganisms and serve as an active antimicrobial barrier that lasts up to 90 days. Without this protective layer applied immediately after disinfection, your surfaces will be vulnerable to pathogens and recontaminated with every touch, sneeze, or cough that occurs in the space. Pure cleaning is the healthiest, most effective cleaning method that exists, and you deserve a pure environment, exclusively for Maid Brigade.